Hi there, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. I'm going to show you how to convert from a solid model program like one built in Catia, export it to a STEP file, and then convert that over to an Eaton Leonard Vector Laservision FIF file. So the first thing you'll do with our VTube-STEP file is import the part that was exported from Catia. Bring that in, and then we're going to auto build the data that represents the center line of this part. Also, it automatically then builds the bender data like this. We go to the Import Export tab, and then we're going to export a supervision file like this. And the supervision file is the file that we're going to then import into the FIF translator. So this is the FIF translator. We go to the Translate to FIF tab, Add Files, and I'm going to get to the file that we just created. And we'll go ahead and build that file. And when we're finished with that, you're going to find that file in that folder. So we just created this example1.fif. Now, let's say you build up a lot of different parts from conversion. And so you're converting from step file, and then you convert the next one from step file, etc. And then you build several supervision files. What you can do is in batch mode, then you can convert those into FIF files. So I'm going to go ahead and convert this entire folder into a single FIF file. So the FIF file itself can contain any number of parts. And so it's like a database basically. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this setup, and we're going to add files. I'm going to go into here, Control A to select all. Go to Translate, and this is going to be an example of a database of files. So let's go ahead and begin the build. So you can see that the FIF translator takes every one of those supervision files that was built by VTube-STEP and then includes it into a database of parts inside the FIF file. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please feel free to send me an email at michael.cohn@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.